Talky Talk English.
What would you like to order?
Elle would like a cup of coffee, please.
Can I help you?
Yes, I want a cappuccino.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Do you want sugar?
No, thank you.
Anything else?
Yes, a muffin cake, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
What kind of milk would you like?
Skim milk, please.
Do you want cream in your coffee?
Yes, just a little.
Would you like whipped cream on top?
Yes, that sounds great.
Asking about the menu.
What do you have?
We have coffee, tea, and pastries.
What's the special today?
Today's special is pumpkin latte.
Do you have any decaf coffee?
Yes, we do.
What flavors do you have?
Vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
What's in a mocha?
It's coffee with chocolate and milk.
Is it sweet?
Yes, it is.
Do you have any non-dairy milk?
Yes, we have almond and oat milk.
Can I see the menu?
Sure, here it is.
What kind of tea do you serve?
We have green, black, and herbal tea.
Is this drink cold or hot?
It's cold.
How much is it?
It's $4.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Do you take cash?
Yes, we do.
Do you have change for $20?
Yes, here's your change.
Where do I pay?
At the counter, please.
Is the tax included?
No, it's not.
Can I have a receipt?
Of course, here you go.
Can I split the bill?
Yes, no problem.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, would you like one?
Is it buy one get one free?
Yes, on all iced drinks.
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Can I sit here?
Sure.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the wall.
Where is the bathroom?
Over there near the back.
Can I get a glass of water?
Of course.
How long is the wait?
About 5 minutes.
Can I warm this up?
Yes, I'll heat it for you.
Can I get this to go?
Sure, I'll pack it.
Is this table clean?
I'll clean it right now.
Do you have any vegan options?
Yes, we do.
What kind of muffins do you have?
Blueberry, chocolate, and banana.
Is this gluten-free?
Yes, it is.
What's your most popular item?
Our caramel latte is very popular.
Do you serve breakfast?
Yes, until 11 a.m.
Do you have sandwiches?
Yes, cold and hot sandwiches.
Is this spicy?
No, it's mild.
Can I have it without sugar?
Yes, of course.
Is this fresh?
Yes, made today.
Do you sell cakes?
Yes, we have chocolate and cheesecake.
What time do you close?
We close at 9 p.m.
Talky Talk English.